Welcome to Beyond Earth, a documentary series that delves into the possibilities of human exploration beyond our home planet. In this episode, we embark on a thrilling journey to unravel the question that has captured the imagination of generations. Can Mars be made habitable? And can we achieve this seemingly impossible feat in the near future? But Mars poses significant challenges. Its thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful radiation and solar storms. Our first hurdle is to thicken this atmosphere. One potential solution, not from experts but from brilliant minds around the globe, involves placing gigantic mirrors in space. These mirrors would focus sunlight onto the polar ice caps, initiating a process called terraforming. Gradually, the Martian atmosphere thickens, trapping heat and kick-starting a global warming effect. With a thicker atmosphere, we're a step closer to making Mars habitable. But we still need protection from radiation and extreme temperatures. This is where 3D printing comes into play. Teams of visionaries propose using autonomous 3D printers to construct protective domes and habitats. These structures would shield future Martian settlers from cosmic radiation and dust storms, while maintaining a comfortable living environment. Private companies like SpaceX have also entered the fray, with ambitious plans to transport colonists to Mars. Elon Musk envisions a self-sustaining city with 1 million residents on the red planet within this century. But how will we grow food on a barren planet? Once again, innovators step forward with hydroponics and aeroponics. These advanced cultivation techniques could be deployed in massive greenhouses, ensuring a stable food supply for Martian pioneers. The dream of making Mars habitable ignites the spirits of many, with aspiring pioneers eager to leave their mark on history. It's a vision of hope, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit to explore and conquer the unknown. As we conclude our journey, we are reminded that the future of Mars lies not only in the hands of experts, but in the collective determination of humanity. The dream of a habitable Mars is a testament to our desire to reach beyond Earth's boundaries and create a new chapter in the story of exploration. Until next time, keep exploring.